This is going to be a video product review of the Vont 4-pack LED camping lantern. Now, I am a lover of this company. I have the light that goes around the head. You put this thing on, you press the button, everybody sees you. I use this all the time when I'm camping and hiking. And here we have the Vont camping lantern. This thing gives you 360 degrees of light. It has 30 powerful LEDs. All you do is you put 3 batteries in on the bottom. You take the handles, you lift them up like this, you raise the lantern up, and you can see the light. I'm going to turn off the lights in the room now because I want you to see how bright this thing is. It's crazy bright. This thing's unbelievable. Now, the 360 degrees, this is what I'm talking about. You want to limit the amount of light. There is no dimmer. You just limit it by lowering it down to however much light you want. Let me turn on the lighting again as I continue my video. So, I've had these for a long time. Vont lanterns are incredible. I had a power failure here about a month ago at nighttime. The second the lights went out, it's a 4-pack. I have one next to the computer by the back door. I keep one by the front door. I keep one by the bed. And I keep one by the bathroom counter. And the light, the power went out. There was an accident outside. Somebody hit the power pole. The lights went out. My ups kept the power light on for a few seconds. I grabbed this lantern that was sitting on the floor. I grabbed it, raised the handles, popped the thing up, and I felt great. Years ago, when the power would go out, I'd have to find a candle, I'd have to go look for a lighter, something to light the candles. It was rather scary being in the dark for a long time. Now I've got the Vont lanterns. You can use them at home, you can use them for camping, you can use them when you're working outside, use them in the backyard, use them while you're walking the dog, you hold the thing, you can carry it with you. It's an incredible lantern. The price is unbelievable. It's good quality. And for me, it's the peace of mind knowing that I've got something that will give me powerful light for days and days. So what I did is I bought a big package of batteries, and I keep them at home. So I know between the 4 of these things and my big package of batteries, if there's a disaster, if there's a major power failure, I have lighting at home for at least a week. And that's really what you need. So my advice to you, go look at the video description. I'm going to leave a link there. Click on that link, order the Vont lantern today. There is a Mother's Day special. I'm going to put some information in the video description for that. But my advice, don't mess around with all these flashlights that they've got out there nowadays, these little LED, these cheap things. Go out and buy something like the Vont lantern. This thing is awesome. You can use it for camping. It is waterproof. It's silent. Look how smooth that is. It's easy to use. It's bright. It's absolutely wonderful. It will give you peace of mind. Go buy a couple of the 4-packs. Put one in every room in your house. Make sure you have one in the kids' room. So when there's a power failure, all they've got to do is grab this thing, lift it up, and they have lighting.